Want to know how to fix network errors in PUBG Mobile? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can easily fix network errors. So there are various ways you might get network errors in PUBG. So first things first, you need to simply check off your internet. So you can just switch between data and Wi-Fi, or you can just simply restart your Wi-Fi. So next thing, you can just simply hold on your PUBG Mobile icon, go to its app settings, and once you're there, just simply head towards clear data. That will be on the bottom right side. And once I select clear data, just simply select clear cache and then select OK. Now once that is done, any junk files will be removed and your PUBG Mobile might have no network errors. So next thing, you can just simply turn on the airplane mode. So head towards your settings and turn on airplane mode, and then after a while, maybe 10-15 seconds, just turn it off. And now restart your phone, and that's it. That should help. So if it still doesn't help, you can just simply restart your PUBG Mobile application, or you can just wait, as it sometimes could be a server side issue. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.